The Dignity Act. María Elvira Salazar defends her immigration proposal. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Just Immigration News. The immigration debate in the United States has once again taken center stage, this time because of the Dignity Act, a bill promoted by Cuban-American Congresswoman María Elvira Salazar. After facing intense criticism online, Salazar stepped onto social media to defend her proposal and clarify what the legislation actually intends to do. What is the Dignity Act? The Dignity Act aims to regularize undocumented immigrants living in the U.S. before 2020. It offers no citizenship pathway, only temporary legal status and work permits. Applicants must pay fines and annual fees, meet strict conditions, and renew their status periodically while contributing legally to the economy and society overall. Why the proposal is controversial? Despite being introduced as a bipartisan effort, the bill has struggled to gain enough political support in Congress. Immigration reform has long been one of the most difficult issues in U.S. politics, and disagreements between parties often prevent major changes to the law. Many conservative critics argue that the Dignity Act is simply amnesty under another name. Some even compare it to the immigration reform signed by President Ronald Reagan in 1986, which legalized nearly 3 million immigrants. Critics claim that past promises of stronger border security were never fully achieved, leading to continued illegal immigration. Salazar's response to the amnesty criticism. Salazar strongly rejects the idea that her bill is an amnesty program. She argues that true amnesty would mean no consequences, while her proposal requires immigrants to pay fines, pay back taxes if owed, maintain employment, and follow strict rules. The annual fees collected through the program, she says, would help fund border security and support the Department of Homeland Security. According to her argument, the program balances compassion with responsibility. Deportations and border enforcement. Another major concern is whether the law would weaken immigration enforcement. Salazar says it would not eliminate deportations or reduce the authority of immigration agencies. The protection would apply only to individuals who arrived before 2020 and meet strict requirements. Anyone entering the country illegally after that date would still face deportation. Even participants in the program could lose their status and be deported if they break the rules. Criminal background restrictions. The proposal also includes strict background checks. Individuals with serious criminal records, gang connections, domestic violence charges, human trafficking offenses, or crimes involving minors would be immediately disqualified and subject to deportation. Salazar insists the program is meant only for law-abiding immigrants who are working and contributing to society. Ending catch and release. One of the bill's key promises is to end the catch and release policy. Under the proposal, migrants arriving at the border would be detained until their immigration cases are resolved, rather than being released while waiting for court hearings. A bill still in progress. The Dignity Act is currently in its third version, with adjustments made after feedback and criticism. Salazar says she remains open to improving the legislation, but for now, the bill continues to spark intense debate about immigration, border security, and fairness in U.S. policy. Please remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss future updates. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.